That's good. Real good.
I'm gonna make Jonah and Sissy a little hot apple cider drink. Just have some apple cider that we got from the store. We're gonna warm it up in this pot. I think that should be enough. You want yours cold, Manny? You want it now? Apple cider? Okay, he wants his now. Cold and cold, okay. Get their glasses ready, and we're gonna use some whipped cream and some of this caramel sauce to drizzle over the top. This is just a fun little quick fall drink. We went to the Fred's Peanut place the other day, and I don't think that they had their apple cider yet. I know I saw a sign that said fresh apple cider, but I think it was just part of their decorations maybe. I don't know, because I didn't see usually when they have the apple cider, they actually, have it really out front there. They probably wait until it starts getting cooler. It's a little chilly. It's chilly enough in the mornings and late evenings for some hot apple cider. We're starting to steam over here. Is it yummy, Manny Mac? Are you done with it? It's kind of like that Starbucks drink. Me and Titus have made a copycat of it before. I'll try to find that video and link it down below. They're, I can't even remember what they call it, but we've made it, and that is so good. That's so pretty. Now, the caramel sauce. Oh, that's pretty. Go. Your apple cider, ma'am. Thank you. All right, y'all, meatball sliders happening. Kind of disassembled meatball sliders.
I'm done with my horses today.
Muscadines.
Done with work, and we stopped over there at that farm when I got finished and picked a whole bunch of muscadines. We're gonna be making some muscadine jelly. So you can do it two different ways. You can squeeze it and pop it, but we usually just put them in our mouth and pop them. But this is, well, there you go. That never popped out. That's what it looks like when you pop it.
It's kind of slimy, but they're really good.
They're really good.
They're like a grape. The skin on them is really thick. I don't know if you can tell. I eat the skin. Manly doesn't like them.
I really like them.
I love them. I mean, I love muscadines. I like muscadines better than scumpernongs. So the scumpernongs are the white ones, or the green. He had scumpernongs, yeah.
Like Jerry said, those taste better.
Yeah. These are better. Anyway, they have seeds in them, so you spit the seeds out. I mean, unless you want to swallow the seeds.
I swallow the seeds sometimes.
Don't you?
Yeah.
I spit the seeds out
in my stomach.
But anyway, that's what they are. They're like kind of like a big grape. They are very good.
And when we make the jelly, we'll leave the seeds in them, won't we, baby?
Okay, I'm actually
We won't?
gonna train.
We won't leave the seeds.
So they're kind of big.
We won't leave the seeds in. We will take the seeds out when we do the jelly. You what, baby?
I'm gonna dream about baseball.
Oh, he's going over there taking a nap.
Dreaming about baseball, he said.
Done.
He's done with his rest.
How much longer would it take to do the meatballs?
He wants to do the meatballs. We're going meatballs
We're
here.
going to assemble some meatballs, everybody.
So I have meatball volunteers to roll meatballs.
Yeah, we'll roll them.
I wanted to rent them Everyone's Hero for movie night, but YouTube doesn't have it for rent, and I don't know of any other place that has it. It's a really cute movie, Everyone's Hero. It's about this little boy named Yankee. He loved Babe Ruth. You remember the movie?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And the little baseball and bat talked, but I couldn't find it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put in, this is about 2.5 pounds of ground beef, so putting about half a cup of breadcrumbs. And then we're just gonna put
just a little bit more, baby doll.
more breadcrumbs.
I think. There we go.
Now we'll put some salt and pepper. I'm upping this to $3.75 now since we're doing the meatballs.
Now I've already got that mixed really good, y'all.
Well, you ain't done yet. I got to put
So now we got a
in there.
meatball for a meatball sub right
Here
there.
comes an egg.
Right there's the meatball, Mama.
We're gonna
The
put an
meatball
egg
sub.
in there. Yeah. Garlic powder. Oh, that did not have holes.
Is that too much, Mama?
Here, I'll dump this
I
one.
would.
About a tablespoon or so of garlic powder.
Or so.
Oregano. Just a little bit.
Put a little bit more, Mama.
Secret ingredient.
Put a little bit more of that secret ingredient, girl.
We always say that. Some of y'all know why we.
Keep putting it, baby. I love oregano.
Some of y'all know why we say that. It's from the Dinner at 8 episode of the Andy Griffith Show. So it's always the secret ingredient. No matter what you're cooking, if oregano's in there, it's the secret ingredient.
Oregano is really tasty. I like it.
Oregano's good for you.
Sometimes I put Parmesan cheese in the meatballs too. I didn't think
can
about it.
sprinkle that on top.
Yeah, we'll sprinkle it on top this time. But yeah, they're really good if you add some Parmesan cheese. Everybody makes their meatballs different too.
Everybody does them different, and you know
Just
what?
like meatloaf.
I'm sure that everybody's turns out great.
I actually like those now because I eat them.
No.
Do we want salads with these, or I have corn? I think salads. You think salads?
I think, salad or corn.
I have King's
Grab
watermelon.
the cheese.
Mama, I have just thought of something great.
What did you think of?
We have been making a lot of ice cream, y'all. We could make it with this.
Oh, we could.
Mama, why don't we do it now while we're waiting on the meatballs?
Let's do it.
Folks, let us show y'all. This just really hit me like
Let's do
a
it.
sledgehammer in my head. Some of y'all like, well, you already act like that. But let me tell you something. That's gonna be good. We're gonna show y'all how to do it right here.
Manly's getting some cheese shredded for us back here.
I need stove.
Here, you can come right here to this part.
Okay. Yeah, this is the only piece that we have. I just washed my hands because they were dirty for a second.
They were dirty for a second. He washed them.
They got dirty for a second. You know, everybody in the country, all of our hands get dirty for a second.
Right.
That always happens. That's so fast.
I hear you, cheese man. Okay, y'all, so this is what we do. We use this Mountain Creamery milk. It's got real cream in it, and it's really great for what we do here. Now, we put in about 2 cups here.
Did I set a timer for the meatballs? Yeah, I did. Okay.
So we put 2 cups of this milk
In with the egg yolks.
and in with the egg yolks. We're going with heavy cream. That's about 3/4 of a cup right there, somewhere around that neighborhood is what you want. Pour that in. Really excited about what we're fixing to make right here. This is an orange sickle.
Because y'all know, if y'all remember, we got that orange olive oil stuff from the Country Creamery in
Pigeon Forge.
Yes, he told us about it. He made us a creamsicle milkshake, which was amazing.
This is fixing to be good. I really believe
Yeah.
this is gonna be good.
Vanilla.
We're going in with the vanilla, which is about that much. We'll go in with about 2 spoons of honey. All right, now I got my honey all stirred in good, and I got my salt. You want a good bit of salt. All right, there's 1 spoon. How many of these you think, baby? 2 of these spoons, Mama?
I think 2, yeah.
Yeah, and you can
Oh, I'm sorry. I
turn
meant
this
to go ahead
on
and start
first,
it.
y'all, but Fallon
I
forgot.
forgot. There we go. It's fine. Quick fix.
That's fine.
You want to go ahead and turn it on because if you don't,
It sticks to the side.
it immediately starts freezing. This is the Cuisine Art one that we're using for this. Okay.
Looks like it's about ready, don't it, Mom?
It's ready.
Look at that. What do you think?
It tastes like one of those ice creams that are orange.
Yep, that's what it's supposed to taste like.
You're about to drop it.
That's fantastic, y'all.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. They smell good and they look delicious.
This is just a little melted butter with a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of oregano flakes in there.